Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. So today in this channel we will discuss about the IPO, ICICI Lombard General Insurance, which we have already discussed about this particular IPO in my previous video. But today we'll discuss about whether it is good for long-term investment or not. So as per my view, it is definitely a very good option. So let's discuss what are the key points which makes it so much attractive long-term investment point of view. So the first point, which is the most important one, that India is still having less percentage in terms of insured property. Uh, So when it comes to again non-life insurance, the car insurance, two-wheeler insurance, and property insurance, in rural area, whatever the insurance coverages, the options are available, but still people are not uh, accepting those frequently. So because of some financial restrictions and all, but this is going to change because of there are so many economic reform is taking place in India, like demonetization, GST implementation. So the financial savings will go up, and there is a huge scope actually which will attract people to avail this opportunity. And we have already discussed in this our previous video that ICICI Lombard is currently at this moment they are having 8% of overall market coverage in insurance area. So when you compare, I mean, if you combine both life insurance and non-life insurance options, or all the companies, ICICI Lombard is covering 8% of the total valuation. And this 8%, more than 8%, it's the exact figure is somewhere around 8.4%, I believe. So this 8.4% is achieved, more than half a percent of it achieved in last 1 year. There is a rapid growth in this sector because the general awareness is growing. Again, because of the last point, if you see the growth in financial saving, so the financial saving is getting more and more within the people of India. And so once they are earning more, they are consuming more, and once they are buying so many properties and four-wheelers or two-wheelers or any kind of properties which can be insured, so they are getting a feel to insure their stuffs. So, and the next story is the last year which happened. If you remember, last year also the life insurance IPO of ICICI Prudential hit the market. So that is a phenomenal story basically. If you remember, uh, last year when it came as a IPO and till date it almost gave 33% of return. So definitely the same is expected to be continued here, because as we all know, ICICI Lombard is the largest player in the non-life solutions, non-life insurance solutions to be specific. So guys, that's all. I mean, these are the very key factors which I have summarized from the analysis, and I believe this is definitely a must buy stock long term point of view. Even, I mean, it's a common thing when the IPO gets open, you will have 3 days of time to buy the stock, I mean apply for the stock, and after 5 working days the IPO, the share will be introduced in stock market. So at that moment also, if you sell the stock, you will definitely get a good return. So it's a kind of trading only, but yes, if you can hold this up, this will definitely give you the gain. If you recall, the same thing happened with ICICI Prudential. I mean, it came in market somewhere around, I guess, uh, with a valuation of 330 per share, something like that, 333, something like that, and today it is more than near about 500, I guess. So guys, that's all for today. That's a small discussion on this upcoming IPO, which can be a good long-term investment. So if you have any suggestion on our video, or if you have any other demand that any particular topic we need to cover, that you can let us know in the comment section. So if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, because we'll be continuing with the stock market analysis and topics again in future. And hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe our channel. Thank you guys, that's all for today. Have a good day.